Welcome to our comparison of the Insta360 Flow Pro and the TELESIN Magnetic Master Grip Kit. In today's video, we will delve into the unique features of each product, examining their strengths and weaknesses to determine which is the better option for mobile filming. The Insta360 Flow Pro boasts advanced AI-powered stabilization and tracking capabilities, while the TELESIN Grip Kit offers ergonomic handling and innovative cooling solutions for extended shooting sessions. Let's find out which one suits your filming needs better. The Insta360 Flow Pro features advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization, ensuring ultra-smooth footage even in dynamic shooting conditions. In contrast, the TELESIN Magnetic Master Grip Kit relies solely on the phone's built-in optical image stabilization, which may not provide the same level of stability during movement. This distinction is crucial for users who prioritize high-quality video capture. Both products come equipped with substantial batteries, but the TELESIN Magnetic Master Grip Kit offers a larger 3,200 mAh capacity, along with a unique graphene cooling case that prevents overheating during extended use. The Insta360 Flow Pro, while slightly lower at 2,900 mAh, provides the added benefit of integrating with the iOS ecosystem for seamless operation. Users must consider whether they prioritize battery life or thermal management during long shoots. When it comes to usability, the Insta360 Flow Pro requires a bit more setup and balancing, which may present a learning curve for some users. On the other hand, the TELESIN Magnetic Master Grip Kit offers a straightforward snap-on design that allows for quick and easy attachment to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, making it more user-friendly for those who want to start filming right away. This ease of use could be a deciding factor for many content creators. In conclusion, both the Insta360 Flow Pro and the TELESIN Magnetic Master Grip Kit offer unique advantages for mobile filmmakers. The choice ultimately depends on your filming style and needs. If you prioritize stabilization and advanced tracking features, the Insta360 Flow Pro may be the better choice. However, if you seek ergonomic handling and extended shooting capabilities with cooling, the TELESIN Grip Kit could be your go-to option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.